What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how to replace your airbags on the cab of your tractor, and that way it'll ride a little better. It's not a super hard job, and this will save you guys some money in the long run. Y'all come take a look.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright guys, here is the cab airbags, and it's got a leak in it, and we're going to show you what to do. Bill's at the back of the truck. I'm going to go over here, that way you guys can see. This is going to be the leveling valve.
Alright, if this is normally hooked up, you take a pocket screwdriver and pull this little tab out. This will come off and come down. You want to push down on the valve to pick up the cab. I got a block of 2x4 and a chunk of metal. We're going to stick in here and we're going to let it back down. This bag's leaking pretty good. So we're going to let it back down. That way we take some of the weight off the airbag.
He's just gonna stick it back, trying to move it where it'll quit. Trying to go up and down.
And what I want to do is take the airline off the bottom of the bag.
It's a 1/4-inch airline with a quick connect fitting.
Yeah, it ain't trying to be too quick on me right now, but for some reason.
The way these work, you push up on the collar and pull out on the airline, and they should pop free.
There we go.
Just like that.
I'm going to take a pair of vice grips, clamp that line off, because we may have to build up pressure for the other side to pick up. We may not have to. And pop it loose at the top first.
All right, and that's how you get it out of there. Alright guys, when you go to pick it up at the parts house, it's not going to look the same, but believe it or not, this is it. So Bill's going to show you how to get her in there and get it back going.
I'll have to come up a little bit.
Build up some higher pressure so we could raise it up. Put your line right back in it. Release your vice grips. And there you go. You can see she's going up and down. We'll do the exact same thing on the other side to replace that one. But that's how you replace your cab airbags, guys. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.